After leaving Smithy's in the Dampier Peninsula to remove Matt's piercing, we spend the weekend doing more of the typical tourist things. We explore the streets of Broome, laying in the sun, sampling cocktails and chips at the Mangrove Hotel, tasting the different flavours at Matsos, and experience the staircase to the moon night markets. We then drive down for another Cable Beach sunset before setting off for the Dampier Peninsula again, this time in hope of a good camp at James Price Point with more fish and less mosquitos. We hope you enjoy.
Back.
Yeah, baby.
We're back on the up the Dampier Peninsula after having to spend the weekend in Broome. We were going to go to James Price Point today. It was still a little bit busy from the long weekend. That was something that we sort of lucked out on, is having to be in Broome for the long weekend meant that we didn't have to deal with all the crowds at James Price Point or anywhere else.
It's hot. It's so hot.
But I think this is Flat Rock.
Yeah, Drugel. I think Drugel, Flat Rock.
And I'm really happy.
Yeah.
It's a bit gloomy today, but we're nearby no one. There might be a little van over the back there down the rocks close to the beach, but this is a really nice spot. I think we're going to spend one night here. Sorry if that audio was terrible with the wind, I've just realised. It is a little bit windy, but I'm hoping that it calms off and the sky looks a little less angry later, because this is really nice.
And I'm in my pyjamas already.
So it's going to be a lazy afternoon, sort of. There was also a really good supply of firewood, which there wasn't at James Price Point, so I think we're going to start the fire pretty soon and just, yeah, no plans. If you do stay where we are staying tonight, then you've got to go for a walk out through these rock pools on low tide. There's just so many of them. Actually, there's a little ray trapped in one here, and then so much else to look at as well. Other trapped fish. Something big for dinner would be nice, but I'm not sure how I'm going to catch it. Yeah, definitely try and come out here.
Cheers.
Shay is not happy this morning.
I hate mosquitoes with passion. And they seem to love me, and I'm over it.
And we got some unexpected rain while cooking dinner last night. It was only a little bit of heavy stuff, but enough for us to have to rush to put the awning out, and then it disappeared again. So we're just making some coffee now and a quick breakfast. Tide is coming in, so we're going to try and put the tinny in without getting stuck and go fishing for the morning, and then we'll go explore just back around here. I think we'll just head back south towards James Price Point and yeah, find somewhere there to camp for the night. Hopefully we'll catch some fish. Too many to show everyone.
Yeah, water was perfect, mint conditions.
Oh yeah, it was.
We didn't take the tinny out.
Yeah.
We didn't get that far. Wynn decided to do a number on us, and thankfully did it before we were putting the boat in the water.
Yeah. Lucky we took so long to get into the water this morning.
So yeah, we've kind of done a whole lot of nothing, which has been really nice actually. I'm about halfway through a new book. Matt's been on the old laptop, and now we're just going for a drive to essentially charge the battery and just scope out what's around here. But yeah, another day fishless. Shame.
What a surprise.
So not like us.
You wouldn't even know.
It was too dramatic at the time. Probably would have known if we decided to go ahead with doing the job than going to ED. But
Yeah, if we'd done our own DIY surgery.
yeah, she's looking good.
Yeah.
She's looking
Yeah.
like we should pray to the weather gods and get good fishing weather tomorrow.
Yeah, I'm ready to go back.
Yeah. Don't mind my 1700 layers. I'm trying my darn best to not get bitten tonight. So
Yes, yeah.
all of the things crossed. I have not stopped itching all day.
Anyway, we'll see how tonight goes. Good morning. Shay didn't sleep too well last night, so she's still in the tent, getting a few extra minutes. The wind's offshore this morning and the tide's coming in again, so instead of the tinny, I'm just going to go up to this point here and have a flick about, have a little bit of leftover bait, and try some lures. Who knows? Probably going to catch nothing. morning.
Morning.
We got up a little bit early this morning and we've come to Dampier Point. No one else around, so the morning is magic. There's no wind at all and the water's just about glass, so we'll have a little look around and hopefully we find a few dinosaur footprints. We finished up at Dampier Point and now, well, we just made some coffee in between, but now we're at the Sunday markets, so.
I find us a mango smoothie.
Yeah, priorities.
Yum.
In our next video, we camp on a river alongside Crocs and try a few casts for Barra before a short detour north to explore Derby. We then start the remote journey east for the Gibb River Road, still a favourite part of our lap a year later.